Like, Shan, we need you to meet right away. Oh, Raymond, right, yeah. Starting to that was for a second. Shan! Shan! Oh, it just puts me there, okay.
Raymond.
We heard you've been killing people.
Shen.
Yeah, what up?
Finally. Where the hell have you been?
Look,
Do you have any idea what's going on? What happened at the warehouse?
Raymond, do you ever actually read my reports?
Your reports? All I have to do is read the goddamn newspapers. They're calling it a massacre. If it ever came out that the police were involved, we're dead.
It won't.
Well, you can't know that. You at least could have turned Siwa over to us. It would have helped our case.
That would have put the entire operation at risk. What does Pendrew say?
You know, he's not your
Benjamin.
handling. I am.
Well, then fucking handle it, Raymond.
Yeah.
Well, how'd you think this was gonna go down? Huh? Whatever it takes. You remember that? You wanted results, and you can't get them sitting behind a desk, nose in a rulebook, with a stick up your ass.
Hey, that's a stick. That's a fun, happy time
I am
toy.
doing what needs to be done.
No, you've crossed the line, Wei. I'm going to terminate this operation.
What? How did I cross
Can't
the
do that.
line?
Pendrew won't allow it.
Pendrew may like to take chances. I don't. And you are dangerous.
I'm not very...
Fine.
Okay, well, I mean,
Before you
I'm
go
extremely
back to your
dangerous,
office to try and pull the plug, go ahead and tell Pendrew that I just met the chairman of the Sun On Yi.
but... Oh!
Wait, you're just a foot soldier.
Well, this foot soldier has
Clearly.
just been marked for promotion because I made sure Suwa got out safely. It'll be in my report, and maybe this time you'll actually read it.
Oh! I think we just pulled out Dick's and mine was like a few centimeters bigger than his. And he's just like, oh, man. It's a big dick. Damn. And yes, it's big. Right to the floor. What, is that my apartment now? Oh, cool, I got a new apartment. Nice. Okay, let's see. Can I use my computer? Oh, I want to Google stuff though, man. Google's the best. In Google we trust, kids. Oh, I'm gonna use this sink though. Oh, it's such a nice sink too. I like it. Okay, so I'm all clean. Gotta make... Dude, just... flush your toilet afterwards. It's yellow. Oh, can I look? Can I look? Oh! Nope. Oh, he's done. That was it. Can I use the thing again? Yeah, because I just took a pee. Wash your hands before and after. Oh, no. Oh, dude, my pee-covered hands are now touching my face. Alright, where do I go now?
I barely know her, baby.
You're lying, right? I saw all those texts you sent her.
That was Chung. He borrowed my phone.
What kind of idiot do
Oh.
you think I am? Am I a stupid
big
immigrant
one?
from the mainland? No.
You have it all wrong. We were just friends. I swear on my ancestors.
Your ancestors are probably a bunch of cheating, no good assholes just like you. I wouldn't trust them any more than I would your lying ass.
我頂你個肺啊！收聲啦！
Whoa, hey, slow down. That's pretty vulgar language, lady. Hey, a face thing with a face person head guy. Like a ninja. Oh my god, can I wear this maid costume? Can I wear this dress? I really want this dress. Okay, I can't get that dress. Whoa! Settle down. Sorry.
Wait, can you help me out? I'm leaving in a few seconds. All I need is a good driver.
What is it this time?
Huh? Let's go.
Wait, isn't he the one that was dating the chick and it was all like, yeah, can you just like rough her up for me?
What the hell was that?
Yeah, Shoplifter Yig was cheating at the cards last night. Thought I'd teach him a lesson.
Some fucking lesson.
Bet he doesn't cheat again. Deal.
You just killed like
No shit.
4
Think you
people.
lose him?
Or 3.
You gonna pull this shit, you gotta learn to drive.
Get behind us. Come on, Ray. I thought he was a good driver.
I'm a good driver. You're the sucky shot. Okay. Easy enough.
Grossman, you're driving crazy.
Oh! I don't know what I just did, but I did it. I don't have a gun. Just had to check.
I think you lost him. Hey, you can just let me off anyway.
Okay, I'll let you off.
Hey, you don't drive like this normally, do you?
Whoa, that guy just called me a monkey? Because that's the kind of car I want, too. You're lucky there's a cop thing going on over here. Oh, eat a dick. Did he just say, what are you drinking while driving? Pretty sure that's what he said. Hi, guys. Oh, wow. You totally interrupted that. Okay, fine. Here, I'm sorry. It won't happen again. No, you don't. Get up! Goddamn! What do I do? Nothing. I'm probably gonna die here. Yeah, I'm dead. Alright, well I ran into that unprepared. Whoops. We'll try that again. Or not. 12,000? Bullshit. What was that? Oh my god, a health statue. Health thingy. Sweet. Oh my god, money. Yeah. Yeah, it's almost like 7,000 now. Oh my god, look at me just hardcore parkour all over the place, man. Yeah, this is... No, I want that... I think it's a jade statue. Is it in here? Yeah, it's in here.
My doctor said the swelling should go away, but it's been 4 days.
Just be patient.
Okay, but I don't like it.
Okay, but I don't like it. I like that. Here, let's try this time. Nope, 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 no, no!
Roland, got any work for me?
Yeah, sure. Samson Gao, your typical deadbeat. Moron is hiding out on an overpass in North Point. Thinks nobody knows he's there. He's wrong.
Okay, I don't want that.
Hey,
I wanted this.
this way. I need a car.
Sorry, I don't have any time.
Oh my god, you are my goddamn valet! You are a bag of dicks. Which one do I want? You know, I'll take this one over here. Water Street, Jade Statue, Bride to Be, Collection. Let's do a collection. I just saw my other car. You know what? You'll just have to deal with it, Copper. I'm out. the one thing that always bugged me in games like this is just like the cops having insanely fast cars sometimes. Actually, never mind. This game does not have that issue. There we go. But first, I'm going to grab this other statue. Then, this way. And finally, this way. And there should be, look out, people.
乜嚟㗎？係咁斜啊嘛！
Oh man, it's up there. It's gonna be up there. Okay, I gotta find the way up now.
今日要返屋企食喎。
Come over here, book guy! Get back here, coward!
I'm looking. Was it over there then? I think it's over there. Welcome to an episode of Dawn just wanders around. Oh, aimlessly looking for how to climb stuff. Let's be it. This is probably not it. It is not. Man, you hit my car. I take very good care of my vehicles. Extremely good care. Nothing was in my way. That was his fault. Oh, here we go. This has to be it.
Hello? Yeah, speaking.
Hi. Oh, you're on their phone. It's very rude of you. I thought you were talking to me. This way? This way? Oh, it's like a ninja! Okay. Cause you have really bright glimmers to them. That's 10,000. I lost 12,000 when I died, so another $2,000 more, and I've made it. After all. That was a little over dramatic. I liked it though. I have a feeling this is actually going to be an area later, like a boss fight sort of thing, or something. Okay. How do I get in? How do I get in? It's literally right there. Oh my god, this is garbage. And no, I can't. Ah, oh, screw it. Fine. I'll get where I need to be in style. There we go. Sorry. Oh, I just got 2 in a row. I was gonna hit it, but then I decided against it. Score to beat 8. You cops ain't nothing. Oh wow, that should have been like a chain takedown sort of thing. You know what? Screw you all. Okay, like I just man. Sorry. Dude, give it to me. There we go. Give it to me, Neil. Okay, this way. What, are you guys gonna fight my limousine while I'm driving by? You bunch of idiots. Yeah, bag of dicks. I have a feeling the clean drive would best be done on like that highway.
You don't want to be a killer.
Yeah, I do. But I don't want to be as a rock superstar and live large, big house, 5 cars.
Samson Gao, you owe Roland. Time to pay up.
Yep.
How did you find me? I had the perfect hiding place.
You were standing in plain open. Okay. Kind of just like shoot him in the back of the leg. Mash! I mashed. And nothing happened. That should have happened. Alright. I'm game. This is so weird. Oh, I wish I had my dash thing on this. So we just went in a circle. There we go.
It's in your best interest if you pay, understand?
Oh, okay. You don't have to get violent.
I can. We like went in a complete circle. I wonder if you can. I wonder if you can actually like get him before he gets up here. Wow, that did like no damage. That is phenomenal. This is already hacked, isn't it? There's no way this isn't hacked. Nine, 7, 5, 3. So 7 is right, 9, 5, and 3 are wrong. So let's go 8, 6, 4. Oh wait, let's make this 6 and this 7. 7 and 4 are correct. 8 and 6 are wrong. 2 and 1? Okay, so 7 goes here. I'm guessing 0 and 1. Defeat the nearby thugs. I can't believe I didn't get that one yet. Soyona. Bacana. Wait, they're up higher? Feel my love fist. I think that's what the guy just said. My fist for you is like this love berserk. Oh, there they are. I hit circle. I hit triangle again. Okay, that didn't. Okay, he's gone. That's good. Big guy's always the worst. Wait. I'm a big fan of yours. I think that was my favorite one so far, is I'm a big fan of yours. Seriously? Like, that's the best. Okay, was that the spot? Pretty sure that was the spot I had to do. I fall so far and take no damage. Well, in comparison to other games I've played. But in the end, it didn't even matter. Let's do Water Street. Here, wait. Let's try this again.
Hey, it's Wei. I need a car.
A car? Takla! I'll be there right away.
Good, you're now actually doing it. Oh, thanks, dickhole. You just trashed my car.
Here you
I remember when I
go.
played...
Don't wreck it
Yeah, thanks,
too
bud.
much, okay? Okay.
Okay. Oh. I'm Wei Shen now, apparently. We have become one. Me and the Shen. Alrighty. So I was just thinking about this. Grand Theft Auto Online, which I'm going to start playing again soon. One of the things that really bugged me, because when I first started playing the game, was like when it first came out at release. And the thing that bugged me was always the guys, the NPCs, or the NPCs. Like, you could call your garage guy, he would get out of the car, get back in it, and drive it as if it was his own car. So you'd essentially have to steal your car from someone who's stealing it, and you get in trouble for it. I think it also led to glitches to get free money, which is fun. I like. But then again, you know, the only reason I did those is because the game made it, or the developers made it like insanely impossible